My name is Emily Griffiths. I work in the commercial litigation team at Browne and I'm a paralegal within the team. My tips for studying in commercial litigation would be to learn from the people around you. There's always so much things that you can learn from everyone around you, whether they're producing work that you want to keep as a precedent to refer back to in the future, or just listening to conversations around you is really useful. I organise my studying by making sure that it's all planned out before I actually start doing it. So I like to make notes or schedule my time so I know what I'm doing at exactly what time, and then I'm able to schedule in breaks and things like that. And I do think that taking breaks is just as important as the actual studying you're doing. I make sure that I can organise and prioritise everything within my life by making sure that I'm under a schedule that I'm always on top of, so making sure that everything is planned out to make sure that I still have time for studying, but I'm not missing out on the things that I enjoy and love in my life, because obviously if you do remove those, then you're not going to be very happy. So it's important to make sure you keep those in whilst doing studying also. I stay motivated because I always keep my eyes on the prize and make sure that I'm aware of the end goal. So I'm always motivated of the route that I'm following to reach that end goal, to assure that I can obviously achieve what I'm set out to do. My tips for getting ahead in your legal career would be to start getting experience as soon as you can, whether that be work experience, paralegal roles, or even shadowing at courts and things like that, but just get your foot in the door as quickly as you can. I think the benefits that come from investing in further training at a firm like Browne Solicitors is that not only does it broaden our expertise and allows staff to have a greater understanding and knowledge to provide clients, it also shows people that are currently working at Browne the investment that they put into their staff, and it provides something to achieve and a goal to reach for people that come into the firm and want to progress. It shows that they want to make that investment and they are investing in the younger generation. My top tip for anyone who's considering doing online training would be, first and most obviously, to make sure that you've got the correct equipment, that your broadband or your Wi-Fi is good and will connect you to the internet and you'll have no troubles with connection, but also just to have a clear plan in mind and make sure that everything's scheduled within your calendar. But don't worry too much about that, because flexibility is always an option with online courses.